just push the button and that's it. Day one, we foam encase. We put all the foam encase in the gear there. That's the rails. That has to dry. Day two, we drop a spring unit in as we're lamination on this, and then we put the top cap on it. So it's a totally foam encased unit. So that has to dry. Day three, we start upholstering, meaning we put in the different layers of the filling materials that all go into the bed. As you see, there's multiple layers. Every one is laminated. That has to dry. Day four, we start the upholstery where we're going to be putting on the pillow top or the plush top on the panel, as you can see right here, as we do all this. And the last day is putting the top panel on. Sew it up, then it goes in down through the automatic bagging machine, and it goes into stock. We do not build to order because it takes us 5 days. So we have to step up to the plate, put the helmet on and get in the game. We stock $4 million worth of beds. We pull out of stock, get you your deliveries, and then we replenish our stock back. But we're the only person that does this. Now in this book that I made, as you can see, this is the $3,000 Stress-O-Pedic. And see all this buckling where that stood up and everything is falling down here? This is why lamination is important. A couple markets ago, a customer of mine told me that Simmons was knocking us off. They're tired of us killing them with our product. They're going to laminate every bed. So I told her to buy me one. I bought a twin. I took it, we sent it to the factory, opened it up. There's the top panel wasn't done. But if you look right there, that's a lamination. It's a 3x3 piece of double-sided tape that they laminated it down. As you can see, as I'm pulling it up here, double-sided tape. They don't even use an Endurolator pattern. You see? Now, it doesn't take a rocket scientist or a greeter at Walmart to tell you if you have foam against the spring, it's going to go through. Here's some other beds that this happens to be spring air beds. See how the multiple layers of filling material where you get the air pocket? They even glued cotton down here. The cotton's not going to hold it. These guys use staples, a long staple to put into a foam. Well, staples and foam don't work, you know? Here's some older beds of some Stress-O-Pedics. Sealy bed, that kind of foam encase. Stress-O-Pedic, they don't even glue it. They used a garter belt effect to hold the whole thing together. So, this happens to be our showroom, but you can go through this whole thing. Go to Stress-O-Pedic.com, click on Making Your Bed, and then at the top where you see all of our inventory, it's the laminate process, and you can see this whole movie on there and get familiarized with exactly how we build it. And that's it.